guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne and today's video is going to be an unboxing of the July Boxy charm. And this is the size of it. I'm pretty sure this is it's not the mini, it's the next size. So it's like the middle box. It's a monthly subscription. And below in the description of my video I will leave my code. I'm sure if you put that in you can get a discount. I'm not sure, but I definitely will leave that. I got it in an email, so we'll see if that does anything for you. Just trying to help you out if you're interested. So I'm opening it up and here's a little card that it comes with. It has all the prices of what I received in this box. So far I'm getting this fragrance just from opening it up. It smells really fruity and nice. So let's see what this shampoo. I'm pretty sure this shampoo is what I smell already. I'm not sure how to open it. It's so strong. Oh, there you go. The packaging is good. That is a positive because I would not want to have my box with it, you know, spilled all over the place. It smells really nice. So this comes with a conditioner as well. They're cute little travel size bottles. Super precious. I could have used these when I went to go see my friend recently, but there was some trouble with the shipping. I actually picked it up today from the post office, so there's that. So the shampoo conditioner retails for $24. That's not bad. It's Sol de Janeiro Brazilian, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Joa strengthening, smoothing shampoo and conditioner. This set includes a creamy lather, sulfate-free shampoo, and a creamy, rich, yet weightless conditioner for silky, touchably soft hair. Oh, can't wait to use that. It is clinically proven to smooth and restore healthy hair, which I definitely need. If you watched my last video, I did DIY highlights, so yeah. I need some help with my hair a little for some moisture. Okay, next item that's catching my eye is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple in it. Ooh, fancy. So this booster, you apply 3 drops directly to the face and neck after cleansing. So after I clean my face, just put a few drops of this on my skin. Let's see what it looks like. Wow. The packaging is super nice. It's a glass bottle. I like the ombre effect of that. Comes with the little squeeze thing, which I like. Ooh, clear. Let's see what it smells like. Oops, it got on my nose. Ooh. It's almost like this lotion I got from Estee Lauder the other day. Yeah, I splurged a bit these past few days. It just sunk right into my skin. I don't smell anything just because all I smell is the shampoo and conditioner, but it's a nice product. And this retails for $49.95. That's pretty pricey. This one item is a lot more expensive than the box itself, which is $26.75 altogether. That's pretty cool. Next thing I have is this Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. It's by the brand Lavish. To remove previous color, swirl a brush around the pad in a circular motion. Removes darker as well as bright shadows quickly without the use of water. Use the face and eye brushes. Can't be used daily without harming the bristles or the brush. Sponge is reusable. Simply wash with your favorite cleanser. Allow to dry and return sponge to its container. Simple enough. I'm always looking into, you know, new cleaning things. I got a rubber product to clean my brushes on, so I can try this one. This seems decent. This retails for $17. Wow, pretty pricey for a makeup cleaner. Next thing I have in my box is this Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. Ooh, by Hourglass. Super cute packaging. Let's open it up. Burnish is what it says on the side. I think that's the shade name of it. I'm gonna take it out. Oh, the packaging is everything. It's so pretty. Scattered Light, yep, Glitter Eyeshadow Burnish. That is the name of the shade. It comes with like a little paper inside the box. Using fingertips, apply glitter eyeshadow over eyelid. Layer formula to build intensity. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, I'm opening it up upside down. So I'm opening it up. There's a cute little protector for the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna leave that to the side. And it definitely looks creamy. There is, oh wow, I just took a big chunk of it off. That's nice. Let's swatch that. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. And I'm pretty sure that I grabbed way too much of the top. Oh, it would help if I hold my hand right. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, so pretty. I'm gonna use the excess on my eyes. I already did my makeup today, but I'll just, you know, add some shine to it. Wow, super pretty. Ooh, holy cow. I just dropped a piece of it on my cheek. Ooh. I'm sure you could use it as a highlight too if you really wanted to. Very smooth, very blendable. Like, it's not really, you know, messing up the rest of my makeup. It goes in really well. How pretty is that? So pretty. I like this. And this retails for $29. $29 for this little thing. Wow. And I put too much on my finger. It's nice. Ah. I'm gonna close that up. That is super cute. Oh my goodness, I can't get over it. Love it. That's probably my favorite item out of this entire box. Moving on, I'm gonna show this palette. Woohoo! Let's see what kind of palette it is. Ingredients. You don't really care about that, but let's open her up. Ace Beaut, Bronzed in Paradise. So I'm assuming this is a bronzing palette. And it is. How pretty is that? How precious. Look at that. You can see my husband's bike in the background. Don't mind that. But taking the top off, they come with 4 shades. And these are really nice. Ooh. I like it a lot. Let's see. I'm going to use a brush and see. I'm going to use probably the second shade right here. Doesn't have any names, but blends in with what I have on now. Super pretty. I like that it's matte, because a lot of the bronzing palettes I get have a shimmer to them, and I like that this is like just matte and subtle, you know what I mean? Especially if you have oily skin. Super pretty. Love it. I'm gonna swatch this last one on my hand. Really pretty. I'm gonna swatch this one. I'm making my hands all dirty. That's great. These are nice. This will be like a good like setting powder, don't you think? Like just to place over your makeup to like soften it up. Super pretty. Wow, I like this. This bronzing palette retails for, let's see here, I can't find, $30. $30 for this bronzing palette. It's not bad. And if you can see, I just swatched quite a bit of them on my hand. Pretty nice. I love it. And that was the end of my Boxy Charm unboxing. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I appreciate any new subscribers that have helped me out a bit. I really do appreciate it. That's about it. So I added everything up together. This entire box is worth $149.95. So that's a pretty good deal considering I only spent $26.75 on the entire box. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!